What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial today, you will see different products that you can use to achieve your brow look. Basically, there's no way to say it. I used 3 different products in this video to show you how you can get your everyday brow, because one of my clients asked me did I have a video like this, and it just made me push to do this video because my eyebrow tutorial video is outdated. So that sounds like it's old as hell, but it is old as hell. Like, it's time for a new one, you feel me? And I've been using different products or whatever, so it's time for a new one. So I did this, and yeah, it's not really much to say, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the bell too, so you can be notified. Like, I got some big things big things popping, little thing. I got some big things coming up, bro. Like, I do, you feel me? Like, I'm going out of town. Just the plane. I'm going out of town. I got some stuff up my sleeve, bro. This is about to be a good year. Like, just stick around, stick with me. Let's do it, y'all. Like, let's do it. Like, I'm 100% like this. The tunnel vision. On a mission. That's how I feel right now. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the family, and let's get right into this brow tutorial. Okay, so with this video, I want it to be really in-depth, like a very in-depth eyebrow tutorial. I want you guys to really get something back from this video from watching it. I want it to be different than your average eyebrow tutorials. I want it to be using like different products, different ways that you can achieve your eyebrows, because not everybody eyebrows is the same. Some people have way less hair than other people. Some people have way more hair. They just gotta do a little bit of stuff, then they good. Some people like to, you know, really emphasize theirs and like make it a way different shape than other people. So with this tutorial, I just want to show you different ways that you can achieve. I've been using this eyebrow. I guess I didn't buy no more. Oh wait, here's one. Oh, but this is just brown. But I'm still gonna do it. I have an auto liner. This is what I used to use. This is what I used in my old tutorial, and I still have brow powder. And now I have the Anastasia pomade, dip brow pomade, and this is in dark brown. This one is in brown, and this one is in, I don't know, brown. So before you do your eyebrows, you want to make sure, you know, you trim them. There's not much that's going to need cutting, but I still want to just show y'all. But I'm not going to do it because it's not nothing that need to be cut, but still. How do I get my too high? Let me drop it like it's high. Alright. Okay, so when you want to trim your eyebrows, first you need a small pair of scissors like so, right? And then you want to just brush your hairs the way they grow, right? Don't nobody hair grows like that. Nobody. If you really think about it. I don't know. So you just brush them up, right? I need my right hand. You brush them up, and it's gonna be like way longer than your eyebrow, like as you can see, right? And then you just clip it. I like to hold it in place with this, not too tight, but like lightly hold it in place. And then I just go right over it and cut it, right? So now you know they nice and whatever you want. I don't know. And if you do cut them too short, you will be able to tell. I do that junk all the time because it's kind of difficult, but yeah. Then when it comes to the back, you want to brush it upwards so you can get these hairs, and then you want to brush them downward so you can get them hairs. But you don't want, I don't really mess around with it too much because I always mess up or whatever. But now that that is done, what are we gonna do first? Okay, I'm gonna use the auto liner on this eyebrow. You just want to have like a very light stroke so you can control how dark it is, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want it to be super harsh like them two. The lighter the strokes, the more natural it looks. Like, you don't want to be really like heavy-handed with that. You want to be very careful with that because it can easily be done. So I don't like to start at the very tip with filling it in. I like to start back here. Then I end up working my way back to the front. Then I go back in the front really, really faintly. Okay? You want to make sure you keep going back in and out with your spoolie just to, you know, not have it look so harsh. Then I like to go up at the top and you basically tracing. Like, we taking you back to the motherfucking Head Start, elementary, whatever. Tracing, outlining. That's what we're doing with when we fill it in. Then at the front, I just make light strokes. Hair-like strokes. Okay. A good trick for using concealers is it blends out way better when it's warm. So, I like to sit it in between my legs or in my bra just so it can be warm. Now, while that is getting nice and toasty, I'm going to do this eyebrow with just the powder. Now, you will use a powder if... Actually, you can use whatever you want, but I think that you should use a powder if you don't really need that much done. Like, you just need to fill in certain spots. Using the powder would be really good for. And I do the same thing with the powder as with the auto liner. Is the same thing I'm going to do with the pomade. Just want to have like hair strokes, light strokes at that, and just fill in the bald spots, okay? First one I'm going to use is the wand. Now, this can be very easy and very hard. It just all depends on how you want to make it. Okay, it's easy for me. It's easy to do it this way. I actually really think you should do it this way if you're a beginner. Like, use a wand like this. And you can just take off the excess so when you go in, it won't be so much concealer on the wand. And just outline your eyebrows. I like to use the opposite side because I feel like it get more precise than using this side. So I use the back side. You go in with the wand to carve it out. You can go in with a brush and pull down the excess concealer, you know, make it look nice and even, and drag it downward, drag the bottom part downward to blend it into your eye, like so. Okay, same thing goes for at the top. You just want to drag it up. This would be a good brush to help blend out your concealer. And this is a Real Technique brush. What kind? I can't remember. This right here is my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Then you want to take, some people use angled brushes. Some people use flat brushes. I like the flat one. And I start from the tip. And I do it the same way when I fill in. I do light strokes. how you achieve brows using 2 different products. So again, we use the auto liner on this eye, and then we use the powder on this eye. Right. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna take these off so I can show you how to achieve eyebrows using the pomade. Now we're moving on to the pomade, and just like most of the steps are the same. You want to make sure you brush your hairs in the right way, light strokes, cleaning up same way, light strokes, all that stuff is the same no matter what you're using. Looks are very easy to achieve. You don't have to be MUA to like get these looks, and you don't have to be doing eyebrows for 10 years to get these looks. Practice makes perfect. Like with anything that you do, the more you do it, the better you get. And that's with everything in life. So let me do this other eyebrow and get back to this outro. About the eyebrows, you want to make sure, I did forget this, but better late than never, right? You want to make sure you set them in place by using clear brow gel or whatever, and just brushing them in the place that you want them to be. This is like a glue. This is going to stick them whichever way you got them brushed. They're going to stay like this all fucking day, okay? But these are the looks that you can get using different products. Yeah. I will see you in my next upload. What? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I need some new subscribers. I do see my new subscribers too. Like, bro, y'all, what's up, bro? I with y'all, man. Like, you subscribe, I subscribe. You ain't got no channel, just subscribe. What up? Week was good. I'm gonna think of a name because, you know, I gotta think of a name for y'all. But whatever. Enough about me rambling. Thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. I love you. Bye.